This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.
Welcome to our factory. Today, you'll see how a chicken burger is made, start to finish.
Refrigerated trucks, Razana Fresh Chicken Factory, Taklatehain, Sealed, Chilled, or Chicken Burger Production, Kalai, Tayon, Forklifts Raw Chicken, KO Temperature Controlled Storage Main Shift, Cartier, Jahan Kwali Kahar Second Monitor Hota High, Hard Chicken Batch QR, Scan Keys RE, Verify Huta High, TalkSurf Approved Chicken Burgers. Raw chicken is carefully inspected under bright LED lights to ensure only fresh, high-quality pieces move forward in the process. High-pressure purified water jets thoroughly wash the chicken, maintaining strict hygiene and food safety standards, heading directly toward the chicken burger processing line. Massive industrial grinders evenly mince the chicken meat, preparing it perfectly for chicken burger patties. Freshly minced chicken falls into stainless steel containers, clearly labeled for chicken burger mixing. In an overhead cinematic view, the minced chicken moves smoothly through sealed steel pipelines, ensuring a fully hygienic transfer inside the chicken burger factory. Automatic precision machines add exact amounts of spices, salt, herbs, and marinades, creating a perfectly balanced chicken burger seasoning. Finally, giant mixing blades blend the seasoned chicken evenly inside a sealed mixing chamber, forming a uniform mixture ready for chicken burger patties. The seasoned chicken mixture is inspected to ensure even flavor throughout the batch. High-sped machines form uniform chicken burger patties with identical size and weight. The raw patties gently land on conveyor belts, keeping their shape. Hundreds of chicken burger patties move through the production line in perfect alignment, demonstrating the efficiency of large-scale manufacturing. Short, kayar. Do. The patties pass through a flour coating system that prepares each chicken burger for breading. Breadcrumbs are evenly applied, creating the crispy outer layer associated with a classic chicken burger. Fully coated chicken burger patties exit the breading line. Ready for the cooking stage, the chicken burger patties enter industrial fryers, where time and temperature are precisely controlled. During frying, each chicken burger develops a perfectly crisp outer layer while locking in natural juices for flavor and tenderness. The cooked patties emerge evenly golden brown, showing precise temperature control and consistent cooking quality. After cooking, the chicken burgers move through a controlled cooling tunnel, allowing the texture to set and preventing overcooking. Finally, rapid freezing technology seals in freshness, taste, and food safety, preparing each chicken burger for long-term storage and distribution. Frozen chicken burger patties exit the freezer fully set, maintaining their shape and texture, ready for storage or packaging. Quality control teams carefully inspect each batch of chicken burgers, ensuring they meet strict visual quality and food safety standards before moving forward. Inside the cold storage area, advanced sensors continuously monitor temperature to protect the quality, freshness, and safety of every stored chicken burger. Digital display screens show real-time temperature data, ensuring all chicken burgers remain within strict approved limits at all times. Randomly selected cartons of chicken burgers are pulled from storage for additional quality inspections before distribution approval. Inspectors carefully open sample packs to visually confirm chicken burger shape, coating consistency, and overall product appearance. Automated weight check machines verify that each chicken burger meets exact portion sizes and labeling requirements. Any chicken burger that does not meet quality or safety standards is automatically rejected, removed from the production line. Fully approved chicken burgers move smoothly, toward final sealing stations for long-term freshness protection. Vacuum sealing technology removes excess air from packaging, helping extend shelf life and preserve product quality. Heat-sealed package edges ensure the chicken burger packs remain secure during storage, handling, and transportation. Clear date codes and batch numbers are printed on every package for traceability and quality control. Finished chicken burger packs travel along conveyor systems toward final carton assembly areas. Automated packing systems neatly arrange chicken burgers inside shipping cartons for efficient stacking and transport. Each carton is securely sealed and labeled for distribution, export handling, and tracking purposes. Barcode scanners confirm that carton information matches the original chicken burger production records. Palletizing robots precisely stack chicken burger cartons, maximizing space and ensuring stability. Wrapped pallets of chicken burgers are prepared and secured for placement inside cold storage facilities. Forklifts carefully transport chicken burger pallets into large refrigerated storage zones, maintaining cold temperatures at every step to protect product quality. Cold storage aisles are strategically organized, allowing workers to quickly locate and access specific chicken burger batches when needed. Advanced inventory management systems continuously track the exact location, status, and quantity of every chicken burger pallet in storage. Before shipping, selected pallets undergo a final documentation review and quality verification to ensure all standards are fully met. Shipping schedules are carefully planned and synchronized to maintain a continuous and unbroken cold chain throughout distribution. Refrigerated transport trucks arrive at loading docks, designed specifically to support safe and efficient chicken burger handling. As dock doors open, cold air flows outward, helping maintain safe temperature conditions during the loading process. Forklifts gently load chicken burger pallets into refrigerated trailers with precision, preventing damage and temperature fluctuations. Load sensors confirm that pallets are stacked evenly and securely, ensuring safe and stable transportation. Before departure, truck interiors are carefully inspected to confirm ideal temperature, cleanliness, and hygiene conditions. Once loading is complete, truck doors are tightly sealed to fully protect the chicken burger cargo during transit. Digital tracking systems log departure times, shipment details, and routing information for full traceability. The cold chain remains fully intact as chicken burgers leave the factory and begin their journey to market. Chicken burgers travel long distances while consistently maintaining freshness, quality, and food safety standards. Distribution centers receive chicken burgers inside strictly controlled cold environments. From these distribution hubs, chicken burgers are carefully transported to restaurants. Every shipment is handled with precision so customers receive the same consistent chicken burger quality, taste, and texture, no matter where they are located. Back inside the factory, production lines are reset and prepared to begin the next chicken burger batch without delay. All processing machines are thoroughly cleaned, sanitized, and inspected after each production cycle to maintain the highest hygiene standards. Dedicated hygiene teams closely examine equipment and surfaces to ensure all food safety protocols are fully met. Production data from every stage is carefully reviewed and analyzed to improve efficiency, accuracy, and consistency in future batches. Engineers monitor machine performance in real time, making adjustments to reduce waste and optimize production output. Continuous testing and sampling help refine chicken burger texture, flavor balance, and overall cooking performance. Every step of the process is precisely designed to deliver chicken burgers that are safe, reliable, and high in quality, Advanced automation allows the factory to produce thousands of chicken burgers every hour with exceptional consistency. Skilled workers oversee automated systems, ensuring quality standards are maintained at all times. Modern technology and human expertise work together seamlessly throughout the chicken burger production process. Each stage of manufacturing reflects the strict standards followed inside a modern food processing facility. From careful handling of ingredients to precise packaging, every detail plays a role in shaping the final chicken burger. This complete journey reveals how a chicken burger is made in a modern factory from start to finish.